Disclaimer. This video is owned and developed by JOFF TV blog. For those new viewers, please consider to subscribing. Like and share, click the notification bell to be notified of my new videos. Angle grinder. An angle grinder is a handheld power tool that is used for cutting, grinding, and polishing. Parts of portable disc grinder. Tool rest. On of switch. Electrical cord. Cord strain reliever. Side or auxiliary handle. Spindle lock. Locking nut. Grinding disc. Parts and function of portable electric disc grinder. Tool rest. It is where the position of the grinder when not in use. Of. On switch. A switch to switch the motor on and of. Electrical cord with the plug. It's used to connect the drill to the electrical supply. Cord strain reliever. It prevents the electrical cord to suffer from strain during and after operation. Handle. It's held by the operator when operating for better performance. Guard. A metallic covering used in trapping the chips flying from the workpiece. Grinding disc. A manufactured stone disc for cutting, grinding concrete, metal materials. Locking nut. A nut used to hold or lock the grinding disc firmly to avoid accident. Spindle lock button is to lock the spindle in place.